everyone. I'm Harshad Pawar from SAS Institute of Management Studies. So today my topic is ISO standards. So we will just get an overview of what exactly ISO is. So ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 in brief. ISO 9001 and 14001 are among ISO's most well-known standards ever. They are implemented by more than a million organizations in some 175 countries. ISO 9001 helps organizations to implement quality management, and ISO 14001 helps the organizations to implement environmental management. So there are some various standards. We will look one each one. So ISO 9001 quality management, ISO 14000 is environment management, ISO 3166 which is a country codes, ISO 26000 social responsibilities. Then again it is 51000 which is energy management, 31000 which is risk management. Then ISO 22000 which is food safety management, 27000 information security management. Then 45001 is occupational and health safety. Then 37001 is anti-bribery management system, and 13485 is medical devices. So briefs and benefits of ISO standards. International standards are the backbone of our society, ensuring the safety and quality of our products and services, facilitating international trade and improvement the environment in which we live in. By following international standards, help reassuring customers that products, system and organizations are safe, reliable, and good for the environment. Then economic benefits of standards. Numerous studies have shown that standards boost business and economics. In the UK, for example, standards account of 8.2 billion annual growth in GDP, while in Canada, the use of standard has injected over 91 billion into the economy since 1981. International standards are strategic tools and guidelines to help companies tackle some of the most demanding challenges of the modern business. They ensure that business operations are as efficient as possible, increase productivity, and help companies access new markets. Then ISO standards in action. Then sustainable development. In sustainable development is meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Many of ISO 21000 standards help businesses and organizations do just that for the environment, economy, and society. In food, ISO international standard create confidence in the product we eat and drink, ensuring the world uses the same recipe when it comes to quality and safety efficiency. ISO has more than 1000 standards dedicated to the food, covering everything from agricultural machineries to transportation, manufacturing, and storages. Then water. Few challenges are more global than water. ISO water standards provide global tools that help us as manage our water resources equitably and sustainably. Their users helps to avail the water scarcity, thereby contributing to achievement the UN's Millennium Development Goals. I missed it. Services represent more than two-thirds of the world gross domestic products, which is GDP. According to the World Trade Organizations, they are economic activities contributing more to GDP than both industry and agriculture sector. ISO develops international standards that helps ensure the service are consistent and high quality. Climate change. is a major environmental challenge in of our time. ISO standards helps tackle climate changes with requirements for measuring greenhouse gases emissions and verifying claims made about them, as well as standards that focus on environment and energy management. Then energy and renewables. Okay, renewable energies. Reducing energy consumptions and dependency on the fossil fuel is a major challenge. ISO standards can help solve the challenge of increased energy efficiency and promoting the development of renewable energy technologies. Transportation. So, with more than a billion estimate road vehicles in the use of worldwide, more than mentioned plants, trains, and spacecrafts, the potential impacts of the standards on global sustainability development is transport is enormous. ISO standards for transport cover everything from safety, then performance to test the methods of environment, creating an innovation platform for automobile, marine, and aerospace industries. Health and safety. Access to health and safety services, quality care, and safe medical practices and equipment is a basic human right. ISO has more than 1300 standards that help in improving health-related products and services ranging from destiny and to medical devices and health information and informatics to traditional medicines. So quality management. ISO 9001 is for quality management. Quality refers to all those features of a product or service which are required by the customer. Quality management means what the organization does to ensure that its product or service satisfy the customer's quality requirements and comply with any regulations application to those products and services. Present, not products. Processes, not products. Okay. Both ISO 9000 and 14001 are concerned the way organization goes about to work. They are not product standards. They are not service standards. They are not process standards. They can be used as product manufacturers and service providers. Processes that affect final products or service. ISO 9001 gives the requirements for what the organization must do, manage processes affecting qualities of its product and services. Certifications and registration. Certification is known as country as registration. It means that organization independent external body has audited the organization's management system and verified that it confirms the requirement of the specific standards. ISO does not carry out certifications and does not issue or approve certificates. So hope you would have got something to know about ISO. So thank you so much for watching this video.